So guys, welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about a different side of AutoCAD, that is AutoCAD for civil engineers. So basically, the architecture point of view is that we generally use every function of AutoCAD and once in our lifetime, but it is different in the case when it comes to civil engineering. So basically, the most of the part that the civil engineers watching this video have to focus on is on the drawing command and the layers. Okay, so these two are the main things. Of course, you have to use all the shortcuts and all, but these two are the main things that you have to take care of. And above everything, layers is the most important thing, because in every footing drawing and things like that this appears. So today I'm going to give you a brief introduction and a small demo of how to use AutoCAD for civil engineers. So first of all, we'll start with the line command. So basically, let's say you want to make a center line between two columns. I have a column right over here. I'll just copy it. So as you can see, I have given uh, the cyan color tag for columns. So I'll do this, just copy paste over here, remove the extra lines. So it is like this right over. So let's say you want to draw a center line which is right over here. So all you have to do is click on the center, draw a line till whatever thing you want. Then you have to select this line, go into layer properties. You have to create a new layer that is called center line. You have to create a new layer right from here and write center line and define the color whatever you want to use. Let's go with pink right now because I'm not using pink for anything. And then you have to select is the line thickness. Basically, the default line is just okay. And then most important, the line type. So most of the firms in India uses iso dash as center line, and center 2 as their center line. So this is what most of the people use in India. So you can change it by your country type and things like that. So after that, you just have to do is select that line and just place under the center line command. So right now, as you can see, the scale is too small to see, right? So to edit this, now you have to do is go into properties, press enter, and down here where it is written line type scale, you just have to increase it. You just have to check to it will not work. Let's say I go with 10. 10 will also not work. I think we have to go backward. Let's say 0.5. 0.5 has given us good changes. 0.2, oh, it has not changed. 0.25. Basically, this way you have to change your line type, whatever suits you. I think 15 looks good to me. So right now I'm doing is as 50. So basically, this is how you do your center line drawing. After that, all you have to do is create a circle right over here of whatever inches or feet is good to you, and just place it on one of the side, and then go on to text size and write text over here, and just add the number or the digit or the letter, whatever. Then you have to do is scale, which is SC, and enter. Then you have to place it right over here in the perfect scale, again SC and enter. And you have to place this as in a perfect scale. So this is how you do it for a center line. So let's say now what will we do for footing. So footing, what we'll do is that we'll select the column under which we have to do our footing drawing. So and write the command offset, and till whatever length you want your footings to be. Let's say right now I want it to be around 48 inch, which is 4 feet, which is too big for my center line. I'll remove this column for now. And this is how it is done. Again, you have to go to a layer property, create a new layer, and write footing and give it a different color. I think a one lighter than cyan will work best. And the line type, which is going to be iso dash in this case. So basically, this is what it is used in my firm and in my country. So whatever suits you best and whatever suits to your country best is going to be your go-to thing. So see your copy and paste. So that's all. This is like the basic of civil engineering drawings. So this is how you have to use your AutoCAD as an civil engineer. And thank you for watching. So this was basically a very short introduction to AutoCAD and the functions of it. So if you want to learn more about this and how to do better drawings of this and learn amazing new tricks and new commands, then do follow to my channel and subscribe and and share it with someone who may need it. Correct. So yeah, thank you.